Hi, Andy here from Living in Weymouth. It's a beautiful spring day here and I'm going to take you for a little walk around the harbour.
Along the way I'll be showing you many of the surrounding shops, restaurants, boats and some amazing views from the sky. Stick around to the end of the video and you'll see our famous bridge opening. Weymouth Harbour forms the mouth of the River Wey and was built around the 17th century, but some records show Weymouth had a working port all the way back in 1347. The old Custom House was built in 1855 to house the twice-weekly fish market. After falling into disrepair, the building was rescued in 1985 and returned to its original purpose to become Wayfish, a well-renowned fishmonger's. The town bridge opened on the 4th of July 1930 by King George VI and is the sixth bridge to be built to unite the towns of Weymouth and Melcombe Regis. The bridge is scheduled to lift every 2 hours between 8 AM and 6 PM, 363 days of the year, excluding Christmas Day and New Year's Day. Brewers Quay is a Grade 2 listed building located in Hope Square. It is a converted Victorian brewery originally built in 1903 as Hope Brewery. It was taken over by Devondish Brewery in 1960 and then became an indoor shopping complex and museum in 1990 until it finally closed in 2010. It is currently being redeveloped and more videos to come following its progress. The Old Town Pump obelisk was originally erected on North Quay in 1775, but was moved to its current location outside the Old Rooms Inn in 1990. Tuda House in Trinity Street is one of the UK's best preserved Tudor buildings. Built in Portland stone around 1610 by a merchant, it was opened as a museum in 1977 by Weymouth Civic Society. The Waymouth Tramway was opened in 1865 to connect passenger ferries and cargo vessels, and the first trains were pulled by horses. The last train ran the line in 1987 and then it ceased operation. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.